Hey, Bronco fanatics, Keith with Rising Phoenix Bronco here, and I don't know if we need to change that now that I live in Florida, but we are now in Florida. The Bronco is running. I'm retired, and now I'm working on it. So what did we do today? We did the James Duff hood struts and put those in today. Have to say, really nice and beefy, really like them. I do like the two bolts here and then another bolt down here. I've got a little rust going here. I know that's where a lot of the hoods crack if you're folding it. This obviously doesn't occur with this, so pull it down and yeah, only bought this in 2017, so only 8 years to get it installed. Yay! Also did the Carpenter stainless steel safety latch, spring, and hood latch. Got this in barely through the side, so you don't have to remove your radiator, your grill to get it in there, but it is tight. You're gonna think you're gonna break something. Didn't even damage my radiator, so we're doing good there. Putting the James Duff struts in, holding those nuts. I have still some leftover insulation of some sort in that gap, but still holding that nut while you're lining it up with the hole, and you can't just use the box end of a 1/2-inch wrench because then you can't get it over the nut to get it out without hitting your, getting it bent up on the hood. So a little bit of a booger, little cussing going on, but overall good stuff. Well, now we'll share with you the garage. Yep, we did the hex lights in the back by the cabinets. We still have our Milwaukee carts. The lights in the garage themselves are Barina from Amazon. Come in 2, 4, and 8-foot sticks. Put them up in the corners, the little clips you see right there. I 3D printed off of Thingiverse and put them up in the corner. Everybody, well, not everybody, all my relatives that have come over have said the same thing. I've got the spray booth going on in here from a lighting perspective, but that's what I want so I can see, and life is good. So we should be posting videos on a regular basis. We've got coming up tube doors from James Duff. We'll go over that. Ordered the Rampage top from Wild Horses. I know I'm about as loyal. Well, both of those outfits, Wild Horses and James Duff, have treated me well. So I will continue to purchase from them. So that's what we've got coming up. And what else do we have? Who knows? I still got boxes and boxes of stuff that I've got to put in place and get this ready for beach season. So stay tuned, more videos coming. Everyone take care of yourselves, and God bless.